Hi everybody, my name is Andy with etrailer.com, and today we're taking a look at this TecNiq red LED port navigation boat light. Now this LED navigation boat light is going to provide increased visibility for your boat. This red light is going to designate the vessel's left or port side. Now this particular light is going to have a range of 2 nautical miles for increased visibility and safety, and I wanted to give you a brief demonstration of what it looks like lit up. I have it connected to 12-volt power, and keeping my studio lights on, you can see just how bright it is with the lights on. Let me go ahead and turn my lights off. Again, you can see it's quite bright, and I'm going to go to a wide view here, just shine this on the wall behind me, kind of give you an idea of the beam that it emits. And so this is going to be a premium red LED, and it is going to be energy efficient, long lasting, resistant to vibrations, and this light is rated up to 100,000 hours of operation. We'll go ahead and turn the power off. We're going to go ahead and take another closer look at it. Now, I do not have this stainless steel cover attached completely, so I could just remove it here and show you the inside of the light. So the LED is sealed in a waterproof housing and a clear lens unit, and it is going to be over this one red LED. This does have an IP rating of 68, and what that means for you is that it is able to withstand dust and dirt and sand, and it's also resistant to submersion up to a maximum depth of 1.5 meters underwater for up to 30 minutes. Now this does have a military grade construction of the circuit board, so that's going to add to the durability of this light. It also has a patented TecSeal potting process that's going to ensure waterproof protection. Now this cover is stainless steel, and specifically it is 316 stainless steel, and what that means, it's going to be more resistant to pitting and corrosion. Let me just give you an overall view of this cover. And this is going to be a surface mount installation, and so when you get this light and when you are ready to install this light on your boat, you will have to pop this cover off. And so once you have this cover off, you would mount this light where you would like to, and then you would use the installation hardware that you would have to get locally to install this light. So this will not come with installation hardware, but then once you do have this light installed, then you would just put this cover. And what I did here is when you attach this cover, you would just start with the front. So begin with attaching the front of the light, and then just kind of snap it shut and make sure that it's completely snapped shut. Now I do want to mention that when you open up this light to install it, it can be a little bit difficult to get this stainless steel cover off. So I found it best to take a straight slot screwdriver and just begin on the sides of the back side of the light here, kind of working this plastic portion of the light out from the cover, and that will then get the cover to pop off. So just be aware of that when you're ready to install this light. And let me, while we're here, give you a measurement of the distance between the mounting holes here. So let me just line this up for you. And we are going to be sitting right at 1 3/8 inches for the distance of the mounting holes. 1 3/8 inches. So this does also have a gasket that is going to be included. So this gasket is to help keep your light weather tight, and it's also going to protect the finish of your boat. Now this light is compatible with 12-volt DC systems. It is a hardwire installation. The black wire is going to be your ground, and the white wire on this light will be your power. And this meets or exceeds ABYC A-16 and USCG 2NM regulations. Now let me give you some further measurements of the light now that we have it fastened together. And that's going to include this gasket. So the overall length of this light is going to be sitting right at about 3 1/4 inches. And then the overall width of this light, we're going to be sitting right at 2 1/2 inches. And the overall thickness of this light, we're going to be sitting right at about 1 inch, a little over 1 inch. Now the input voltage of this light is going to be 9 to 14 volts, and the power draw is going to be 0.39 to 0.51 amps. And then the wire length is going to run about 5 inches long from the base of the light. Now this light does have a limited lifetime warranty. And again, this is going to be the red light for the port side of your boat. If you are also looking for the green starboard light, you can find that on our website, item number TN32ZR. And if you are looking for both the red and green light in the form of a deck mount light, you can find that on our website, item number TN52ZR. Well, that's going to conclude our look today at TecNiq's red LED port navigation boat light. Again, my name is Andy. Thank you for joining me.